Tipid sa ingredients pero hindi sa lasa. Yan ang 5-ingredient creamy mushroom balls.
Di ba hindi ka marunong magluto?
Sino nagsabi sa'yo? Good luck to us!
Let's go! Tara! Today we're using the Knorr cream of mushroom. It's made with real mushrooms. Grab your sliced canned mushrooms. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put cooked rice. So, add hot water until ma-reach mo yung malapot na lugaw consistency. Season with pepper. Now, we just need to let this cool down to firm up. Flatten it into your palm.
Okay.
Lagyan mo ng cheese, tsaka mo bilugin. So, you simply roll the balls into breadcrumbs. Try your best to drop them all at the same time para sabay-sabay sila maluto.
Wow!
Girl, ang sarap. Wow! Pili ko mas masarap pa yung iyong. If you know, you know.